Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you how to make waakye, and if you are a big fan of waakye, then this recipe is definitely for you. We will begin by adding in our washed black eyed beans into our saucepan. Next, you are going to add in your sorghum leaves or your waakye leaves. This leaf offers numerous health benefits, including being a good source of vitamins and minerals, high in dietary fiber and rich in antioxidants. Then add in some water. Make sure your water is enough to cook your beans. And if you want your waakye deep colored, add a little bit of baking soda. At this point, I prefer to cook mine without. Cover it up and cook your beans, including your leaves. And this will take about 30 to 40 minutes because your beans needs to be cooked at least 80% before adding in your rice. Check on our beans and it's 80% cooked. So we will then go ahead and take out the leaves. We will then add in our washed rice and some salt to taste. Give it a good mix. This is where personal preferences comes in. If you are someone that likes your waakye very soft, then increase the water content in it. If you like it very well grained, reduce the water content in it. This is the easiest part. Just cook your rice the same way you cook your jollof rice, by making sure you steam this rice pretty well. Cover it up and let it cook. After 15 minutes, we checked on our rice and this is how it looks like. You are just going to give this a good mix. So to bring out the ones at the bottom to the top and vice versa. Then cover it with parchment paper, or you can even use a wet napkin to cover it up. We will then leave this to continue cooking on low heat. After 15 minutes, this is how it looks like. That is it. Your waakye is ready. You can see how soft my waakye is because that is how my family likes it, so I cook it this way. We pair our waakye with some spaghetti, talia kakra, gari kakra, salad kakra, and of course don't forget our waakye stew. If you have not watched the video for our waakye stew, please check it out. It's really easy to make. I will leave a link in the description box below. I hope this video helped you and I wish you the best in preparing delicious waakye and stew. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.